Long before becoming a successful trial attorney, Sean Claggett would start his day with his wife Lou driving him in their shared car to the William S. Boyd School of Law at UNLV. As he is today, Sean was dedicated and driven by an unwavering commitment to his family, his community, and his profession. On January 1st, 2005, Sean opened his firm with a single client and one employee. Just a dozen years later, Claggett & Sykes law firm boasts 18 employees, including 6 attorneys, and hundreds of active litigation and claims files.
Being a trial lawyer is kind of a sickness, I would say, at times, because being in the office isn't where you want to be. You want to be in the courtroom, and there's something about that high of being in the courtroom and where the chips are on the table, and there's going to be a winner and there's going to be a loser, and there's no hiding behind anything. There's no desk to hide behind. You're exposed. So to me, that's what it means. And obviously having the courage, that's a big thing that a lot of people don't understand, that it's scary. And they don't do it because it's so stressful. But it's also that feeling of excitement. And it's being prepared. They're prepared for every possible thing that can happen to the trial, so that when it happens, they're not surprised. They've already thought about it, they know how to respond to it, and they're ready to go. And that's what the great trial lawyers, I think, exceed at, is that they've looked at all the different possibilities that can happen and they've prepared for them. NJA has been wonderful. It's been an organization that has brought together phenomenal lawyers that share information. I've made great friends through the NJA. I've had great times. I think the big thing is the programming the NJA puts on is phenomenal. The 30B6 CLE that was just done, my Will and Matt came back raving about it. If it wasn't for NJA and the lobbying efforts that were done, getting some of those bills vetoed 2 years ago, we had 7 motions filed on product defect cases based upon the laws that were passed before they were vetoed. Basically gutting our cases. So, our firm and every firm in town owes NJA a debt of gratitude for the effort they put in, because without them, there's no question that those bills would have been passed without objection.
Sean's dedication to the law isn't limited to the courtroom and offices of Claggett & Sykes, however. An adjunct professor at UNLV who teaches law practice management, Sean was elected by his peers to serve on the board of the Boyd School of Law Alumni Association in 2009, and in 2010 was named the school's Alumni of the Year, its most prestigious alumni award. He serves on the faculty of the Keenan Ball Trial College, where he instructs other top trial attorneys from across the nation, and serves as co-dean of the damages course. Despite the time-demanding nature of being a successful trial lawyer, Sean finds a way to make room in his busy schedule for his wife Lou and their 2 children, Reed and Ella.
My proudest moment is when I get calls from attorneys that have trials going on and we brainstorm, and then they call me and tell me it turned out well.
I think Sean has impacted the legal community by being willing to share some of his ideas and strategies, by being willing to show up to other lawyers' hearings and share the things that he's learned to try to make the trial bar better as a whole. And I think Sean is really big on community service and making sure that we give back to the community, and he does encourage other attorneys to do the same.
So I think it's the first or second year I worked here, Sean said he was doing this charity bike ride. I was like, oh, that's pretty cool. Where are you riding? And he ended up riding from San Francisco down to San Diego, and we were gonna meet him at San Diego to kind of cheer him on and finish the race. And he did that, because he's an avid cyclist, but also to help raise money for this foundation. And that was kind of my introduction to the firm and its charitable giving. And
Sean Claggett became Trial Lawyer of the Year for a lot of good reasons. The first reason is his incredible ability to sway a jury and to talk to them in a manner that they can appreciate and accept. His strategies and trial techniques are incredible.
Sean, brother, congratulations on Trial Lawyer of the Year. It is well deserved. I know how hard you worked to get this, and I couldn't be more proud of you.
Sean, congratulations on this well-deserved honor. You did a great job. You earned it, and I love you, man.
I think the biggest thing is that I'm extremely humbled to have been nominated and voted for this award, but this is hardly an individual effort. The trials that take place and what we do at my firm, it's a team effort. And my support staff, I mean, we have a large firm here. We have 21 people, and it takes every one of them to put a trial on. And I'm very fortunate to have them, and I thank each of them.